Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Today we are doing the valve cover gasket on a 2009 Scion TC. It's got 90,000 miles, untouched pretty much the car. So we'll just dive right in. You need 10 millimeter for your oil packs. Any pliers will suffice for those clamps, for the vacuum hoses, for the air lines, and then we have some more plumbing, some more things you have to take off. But for the most part, you only need a couple tools. All right, let's get right to it. Now, normally you would pull this off first to make your life easier. So you go either way. Here. I don't know exactly what it takes. It's got a number of 10 millimeters that gotta come out. Try to stay clean and tidy. Get yourself a magnetic tray. They're $1 or something like that at Harbor Freight. Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? That's what they say. Alright. Yeah, one by one. Always have a designated area too to put your shit. Sorry, stuff. Okay. Make sure everything's clear. Come on. There we go. So that's good enough. It's obviously still on it. There's a hump there. You gotta get over the hump, guys and gals. Just like in life. There's a hump on a hose, and a hump in life. Still on, look at that. Acting up already. Acting up already. There you go. And now come on. Take your trusty hose snapper. Oops. Definitely original. Definitely original. Just tuck it away. So this plastic might give you a problem later on. I want things to break, but we gotta get out of your way. So we got another line here. A few more air lines, breather lines. Like I said, this thing's original, so everything's gonna be tough taking off. There we go. Sucker off. You want everything away from this area, so you can remove this upwards without running into stuff. Especially when you put it back on. That's the worst, getting a wire in there. Inside. I've done it. I've corrected it though. Let's pull that off to the side. There might be another one back here, or something else you gotta push. Definitely one out of your way. That was kind of clear for now. We'll assess it later on. One more. Anything back there? No. Right here, I don't trust this plastic piece, so let me see if I can move this out of the way separately without destroying everything, breaking everything. It's very loose right here. This is So you know what I'll do? I'm gonna end up breaking this. Yeah, we gotta move that somehow. There has to be another line. There's something somewhere. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's just a bunch of things. It's like a connection point for a bunch of sensors and stuff. So we'll be able to get it off. So there you go, there's your wiring. If I can get this out. Yeah, everything's short too. So for all intents and purposes for the video, we'll just remove it roughly. I'm not telling you to do it like this, but that's how you do what you gotta do. It's just plastic. There is a sequence to loose thing. I'm not gonna hit no major sequence, but look it up. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm just doing it randomly in a sequence, but not the correct one. Where's the bad boy right there? A little extension. Well, we'll have to do without it. It's easier with attention. Sometimes you can't. You got it. There's one that's right there. Okay. Here we got one over here, all four corners. Okay, pull that bad boy out. You might want to remember where they came from. I've been doing this all the time, so I pretty much remember a lot when it comes to these things. You can see the two middle ones are definitely different than the other ones. You really can't mess that up, but hey, things happen. So what do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I started with that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are the main nuts that hold this down. Alright. Sometimes you just lift it up with there'll be a little spot right there. It's made like that, so you put a flathead there. It's actually designed like that. Right here. See that? That's purposely built there like that. Oh yeah, this had to be replaced. Check this out, guys. Hey, guys. That's old. That's old. 90,000 miles. It's pretty dark. That's not good. Not good. Random. I'm sorry, not random. Not good regular oil changes. 90,000 miles to Toyota motor shouldn't look like that. Actually, well, look at that. Here you go. It tells a story. See that? See how dark it is in the back? Yeah, son. So we'll get back to you when we start cleaning it up and putting it back together. Thank you for watching.